Hey everyone, this is Jenny and welcome back to my channel. I know guys that I have been away for so long. I have my own reasons and I'll tell you guys more about it in another video. But for today guys, I wanted to start my 3-part video series of my best of skincare 2019. And for today, I'll start it off with for those who have sensitive and acne prone skin. So I do have a few products here that I have been using during my hormonal days, my breakout days, and all those days when I just have a very sensitive skin. So I will share with you guys what are these products, and if you are experiencing the same problem, just keep on watching. First up are my favorite cleansers. So my favorite cleansers for sensitive and acne prone skin are the Matcha Hemp Hydrating Cleanser by Crave Beauty and the CG Skin Kale Cleanser. So you guys have seen my video that these are two of my favorite cleansers this 2019, and I've seriously been obsessing about this a lot of times, and this is almost empty. I just have a tiny bit left and this is already empty, and I seriously would consider buying this again just because it really does help my skin, just keep the moisture and doesn't strip away, the hydration on my skin. So these are perfect morning cleansers, and it just kind of really helps, maintain that hydration on your skin. And I think that is the way to go if you guys have very sensitive and acne prone skin. So definitely try this out. And I would highly recommend these two cleansers for sensitive and acne prone skin. And now for toners, my ultimate favorite is the by Ecom Pure Calming First Water. So it looks like it's just plain water, but it's actually not. So as soon as you pat it on your skin, it does feel like, and it does smell like it has that soothing ingredient in it. There are some toners that literally just smells like water, but this one, it doesn't just smell like water, it actually smells like there's something in it that helps calm down that redness on your skin. I can't really pinpoint it, but you can tell that it has that refreshing smell. So what's good about this is that it contains Centella asiatica as well as chamomile extract that really helps, calm down those redness and irritation on your skin. I highly recommend this. I've seen a lot of reviews that this line from by Ecom has helped a lot of people, calm down the redness and that angry pimples on their skin. So definitely recommend this and go check it out. And now for essence, I highly recommend the Benton Snail Bee High Content Essence. So this is a very lightweight essence. It has a very gelish form. It's not very thick and it's not very heavy on the skin. And I really do love this because it's not very thick and it doesn't really have any smell actually. So it's really good for those people who have very highly sensitive skin, who is, irritated with fragrance and those thick essence. This is definitely a good one. And I do think that this is something that you guys should try if you have acne prone skin or sensitive skin, just because it kind of helps with skin repair. So if you have those, dry patches and also those redness, it will help you calm that down and repair your skin back to normal. So definitely something that you guys should check out. This is their most popular product by Benton. A lot of people have been raving about this, and it's really good and very suitable for sensitive skin. And now for serum slash ampule. So I do have two products here with me. So I have the by Ecom, and this is their pure calming ampule. So this is the ampule version of the toner that I showed you a while ago. So this is from the same product line, and this does have the same ingredients. So it has Centella asiatica as well as chamomile that really helps calm down those redness and those acne on your skin. So it really does help a lot. I've seen a lot of people who have done reviews of this, and they have seriously seen really great results. And honestly, I love using this during hot and humid weather because it really does soothe my skin and has calmed down those angry pimples whenever I do have one. So definitely go check it out. This is their pure calming ampule. So this is more for relaxing, soothing care. So the next one that I have here is a serum by a new brand. This is a brand that has been introduced to me lately, and I've been loving this. And honestly, this hasn't been in the radar yet. I think a lot of people don't know this brand, but this is new to me and I seriously love this product. So this is the XYCos Cica Green Serum. So this is a really great serum because it has Centella asiatica, spirulina, and avocado. So you guys know that all those ingredients are actually quite good with, just kind of boosting your skin's hydration and vitamins and nutrients. So it's really good because it also calms down your skin's redness and also those acne with the Centella asiatica ingredient in it. So it's actually quite good. You can really tell that it has that that, you know, Centella asiatica smell. It's really good. It's very lightweight and it's not very thick on the skin as well. So it's a new brand for me. I think they're actually going to be really popular someday. I've been testing out some of their products and definitely a good one to check out. So this is two of my favorite serum for sensitive and acne prone skin. So one thing I forgot to mention, which falls under the serum slash ampule, but kind of not really a serum in an ampule, but more of a capsule. So this is the Willage Cica Clear One Day Kit. So what this is, it's really a booster that kind of replaces your serum and ampule during those days when you just want a quick pick-me-up Cica serum basically. So this has a high percentage of Centella asiatica to really help calm down those redness, most especially when you have that special day coming up or you just seriously have you know, angry pimples that you just want to calm down immediately. So this is a really good one. So what this is this is a capsule and this is a liquid form that you kind of combine, and this is a really good booster for your next step, which is your moisturizer. So I definitely highly recommend this. I don't recommend that you use this every day just because it's a bit pricey. So I would suggest that you just keep this in your stash for those emergency days or emergency times when you just need something to kind of really calm down those pimple areas. So definitely something that I highly recommend. This is quite popular in Korea now. They have different versions. For this one, this is the Cica Clear One Day Kit, which is perfect for acne and sensitive skin. Next up are moisturizers. So I do have a few of them, and the first one that I wanted to share is my favorite one, and this is the Hanyul Pure Artemisia Watery Calming Cream. So I bought this when I was in Korea this year, and this was recommended to me by the sales lady. They say that this is really good for summer and hot weather, and I would say that it's actually pretty much suitable for, you know, sensitive and acne prone skin just because it has Artemisia, which is essentially mugwort. If you guys haven't heard of mugwort, it's actually good for, you know, antibacterial and anti-inflammation and all that. So for those of you guys who are experiencing those redness and angry inflammation of you know, those pimple, this is actually quite good. It's a very light cream, so you don't have to worry about, you know, having that sticky feeling if you guys have oily skin. So that's how light it is. It's very blendable, it's not very thick, and I really love the smell. It has that very nice flower smell. I don't know what flower that is, but it's definitely a good one. It smells like jasmine. So I definitely love this, and I highly recommend this for those of you guys who have sensitive and acne prone skin. Next up, of course, this video won't be complete if I don't include a Cica cream. So the one that I've been using is the Cica Care line by VT Cosmetics, and this is their Cica cream. So this is a gel Cica cream that I've been seriously loving, and my husband has been using this as well. So if you are experiencing that high sensitivity and acne prone skin, this is the one to go. So it has that green color, and it's a gel form, so it's not very thick as well, and very perfect for those of you guys who are experiencing redness and breakouts as well. So it definitely calms down your skin immediately after using it, and it just has that centella smell that really helps, you know, with your redness. So I definitely recommend this, and this is the VT Cosmetics Cica Care line Cica cream. And the last cream that I have recently tried and I have seriously been loving is this Clearing Tea Care Cream. And this is by a new brand as well in Korea, and this is the Ferangs or Sefrangs. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's actually a really good one, and it's actually a new brand that I just discovered. So it's a calming cream. It's very soothing and definitely suitable for acne prone skin, sensitive skin as well. So it's a very soothing and refreshing smell, and it's not a thick cream, although it looks like it is a thick cream. It's actually not. It kind of looks like a lotion type, but then when you blend it, it feels like it's a gel form. Very cooling, definitely suitable for those of you guys who have sensitive skin, and I definitely love the smell. It's very refreshing. So these three are my favorite moisturizers for sensitive and acne prone skin. They definitely really help calm down that irritation on your skin, so definitely go check this out. And now for eye cream. For my eye cream, I love this. Whether you have oily skin, sensitive skin, or dry skin, this eye cream is the best. So this is the Innisfree Jeju Orchid eye cream. I've been using this for like forever, and this has been my ultimate eye cream for a long time. So it's a bit of a thick cream, but it's not very heavy, so it's still highly blendable. So no matter how thick it is, it still absorbs quite quickly on your skin. And I do love this because it keeps your under eyes and your outer corners really moisturized but not oily. So it's really good for, you know, adding that hydration on your wrinkle area to kind of just, you know, help it more, keep it more hydrated and moisturized to avoid those wrinkling. So I definitely love this as well, and the smell is really good too. So definitely an eye cream that you have to check out is this Innisfree Jeju Orchid eye cream. And now for sleeping mask. So if you guys use sleeping mask, I do have one that I really recommend, and this is the VT Cosmetic Cica sleeping mask. So this definitely is a good sleeping mask if you have those, you know, acne prone skin and sensitive skin. The difference of this with the cream is that it really, you know, keeps your face hydrated during your sleep. So it really kind of help repair your skin and calm down those irritation and redness. I definitely love this because as soon as I wake up, I do have that very hydrated skin, and I do think that my acne is a lot less red compared to when I didn't put this. So I really highly recommend this. And you don't really have to use this, but if you guys want to add just another step on your skincare routine and just, you know, add that moisture and hydration while you sleep and repair your skin, this is definitely a good one to try. And this is again the Cica Care or the Cica Hyalon line, and this is their Cica sleeping mask. And now lastly, our sheet mask. So I do have 3 favorite sheet masks for sensitive and acne prone skin. And the first one would be the Dr. Jart Clearing Solution. So I'm sure that you guys have seen this in Sephora and all other, you know, shops out there. It's quite popular. And what I love about this is that it has salicylic acid and tea tree oil and glutathione to help kind of, you know, brighten your face. But I guess some people are allergic to tea tree oil as well as salicylic acid. So if you guys are allergic to that, or you do get breakouts whenever you use products with those ingredients, probably avoid this because this sheet mask has those 2 ingredients, so that might not be good for you. But for me, it's actually quite good. It's really very cooling on the skin. It really does help, you know, calm down those redness. I was a bit nervous when I tried this first, but it's actually quite good. So this is the clearing solution version of the Dr. Jart. And the next sheet mask that I truly love is this Jeju Cosmetic Multi Vita Tone Up Mask. So you know, Jeju is actually quite popular with their sheet mask, and this one is the not so popular one, but it's actually really good. So it has Centella Asiatica in it, and what I love about this is really calms down the redness and that pimple. So it's actually good. It has a nice mask or sheet that really helps, you know, sticks to your skin really well, and it has a lot of essence in it that really you know, moist up your skin and keep it hydrated. So this is a really good one to check out as well. And the last sheet mask that is my ultimate favorite for sensitive and acne prone skin is the VT Cosmetic 3-step Cica mask. So I don't have it with me right now, but I've done a review of that. I'll put a link somewhere here for you guys to check out. But I really love that sheet mask because it has 3 steps in it. It has an essence, it has the sheet mask, and it has the sleeping mask. So it's really good for travel, or if you guys want just a very easy to use sheet mask or skincare routine with all the products there. So it has the essence, the sheet mask, and the sleeping mask. It's just really good, and I do think that it has a really great ingredient in it. It has a lot of Centella Asiatica percentage that really helps calm down your acne and your breakouts and all that. So I definitely love that. It has a very thin sheet that really holds into your face, which is really good. I definitely love those. And these are the 3 sheet masks that I love, plus the VT Cosmetics, which I don't have, but definitely these are the ones that you have to check out if you are experiencing sensitivity and acne prone skin. So those are all my best of 2019 skincare favorites for sensitive and acne prone skin. So I do have 2 more video of this 3-part video series. So this is just one of them, and I'm really excited to do the other 2 because I'm actually covering a few skin types and sharing with you guys some of my most favorite product. So I hope that you guys love this, and if you guys are experiencing a lot of breakouts, just don't be very frustrated. I know it's kind of frustrating at times. I have experienced that, and now my skin has just been behaving very well, but I still get those days when I just have like a lot of breakouts and my skin is just not behaving. So it is normal. Just continue on using Centella Asiatica products, or products that just soothes and calms down your skin and the redness on your skin. And as always, if you have any questions for me for any of these products, or if you guys want other suggestions, just drop me a comment down below, and I'll hopefully try to respond to your question as much as I can. Thank you guys again for watching this video, and I will definitely speak to you in the next one. Bye!